welcome to Spark Academy, where we build tech-savvy folks. So today I want to show you guys a online video, an online course which you can access for those who are into graphic design. So this is the website. I'm going to add a link to it on this video and also in the description below, so on how you can access the video. So this course is a free online course which you can have access to different courses as a graphic designer. There are other skills, but this is for graphic design. I'll add other skills. I'll make videos for other skills and post on my YouTube channel so that you can, whichever one you want, you can go for it. So but this is for specifically for graphic design. So this is hosted by LinkedIn Learning, and it has a learning part. So this video is actually how to access it using system, and you must have access to internet connection data for you to follow along. But in the next video I will do will be on how you can access it on your phone, mobile and smartphone, which you can watch offline. If you can download it and watch it offline at your self-paced. So I'm gonna do video on that, how to access it through the smartphone. So when you click on this opportunity.linkedin.com/skills for in-demand jobs /graphic designer, so this website comes up. It's a website which you can use to access the online, as you can see, becoming a graphic designer, free online training classes hosted by LinkedIn Learning. So here is the starting and the learning part, which you can see. This is the first part, which is introduction to graphic design. Second one is graphic design careers, first steps, introduction to graphic design fundamentals under layout and composition. Under graphic design fundamentals, you talk about typography, color for design and art, Photoshop 2020 essentials, the basics, and creative collaboration. So if you watch here under these top skills in demand, these are the skills. After learning these courses, this free course, you have access to be a design systems, layout, color, Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. So all these skills are the skills that you have access to. So let me just show you how it goes. So if you click, what you just do is when you come on here, you click on start learning part, then it takes you to LinkedIn web address or web page, which you have to, if you don't have an account, my account is already logged in with this phone system, so it doesn't actually require me to enter account. If you watch, I've done some of them. I've run some of these courses, and you see it's completed. What was completed on the 27th of May 2021. So all this one you can also add it on your profile. Then if you scroll down, there are some I've not done. I'm not through with Photoshop 2021 essentials. I'm not through with Illustrator 2021 collaboration and color trends. But all these ones I've done all these ones. So this is how it looks like. So this is the process it goes. So what you just do is as simple as you just come down, anyone you want, you click on it and it opens and you start watching it. But first you must create an account. If you don't have an account, you just create an account with this, so that it can register your progress. You can store your progress so that you'll be moving whatever you stop. Like if you notice the one I'm done with, it showed it. Now let's watch how it goes. So this is the interface for the learning platform. Then this is your schedule, your syllabus, the one which section you have done and which section you have not done. And he has also at the end, he also has quizzes which you can click in case you want to do the quiz if you have not completed it. So this is all about how the interface is all about. So this is the online, this is you can watch here this quiz. I've done it. That's why I say you answer 6 out of 6 questions correctly. So also let me just show you how the video looks like. So let me click on this one, exploring that basis, and let's watch how it looks like. So this is how it goes.
Photoshop's ability to work with layers is definitely one of my favorent features. So let's take a look at how we can master the layers panel in order to easily work with multiple images in a single document. I'm going to start by creating a new document, and I'm going to set the width and height to pixels, and I'm going to change it to 2600 by 1625. Want the resolution to be 300 pixels per inch, RGB color, 8-bit, and we'll put the background content.
So you can also have access to, but this one I'm watching with data, you can also have access to download the exercise files and also certificate. If you are done with the course, you can have access to download certificate. like the one I'm done with. Let me go back and show you the one I'm done with. So you can see that I also have access to my certificate. So let's go back. I click backspace, and I'm here. So let me show you this. If you watch this, I'm done with this one. So if you click on it, it loads, and it will also show you that I'm already done with it. So if you watch, I'm done with it. So
do you want to become a graphic designer? Do you want to learn how to design your own
yes,
book
I want to
or
learn.
logo?
Sorry,
Maybe.
joke. Okay, so you come here, you can click here for the certificate. So this one, I'm through with this one. I've completed it. So if you watch, this is the certificate. I can now click on learning certificate and look at the certificate. So I can now download the certificate as well. Let me download it. So you can see that what I'm saying, I'm not just blocking. So now if I've downloaded the certificate, I can just click on open it and voila, this is my certificate. So this is how you can do in each courses, and at the end of this career it will give you also a certificate similar like this, but it will be a graphic designer. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and also follow this channel because we have more other good and awesome contents we are going to upload. Thanks.